Showing customers that you actually have this equipment in your shop is a big deal. These people want to see this equipment there. If you're a tuning facility, they want a dynamometer because road testing is a thing of the past.
We've been the chassis dyno experts for a really long time, going back 25 years, and some of the world's highest performing, highest horsepower race cars were proven right on our dynos.
We know the weight of every drum and how fast we accelerate it over time. With that, we can measure the force that the vehicle's applying to the drum and give us a horsepower number. Without that, repeatability and consistency go out the door. We're not tuning the dyno. We want to tune the vehicle.
Dynojet dynos are manufactured and assembled right here in Belgrade, Montana by hard-working people, each with their own skill set.
Some of the same guys who built those first dynos are still here. We have all of that knowledge that we've been standing on for years to continue to churn out the best possible dynamometers for you.
We work directly with the engineers and the technicians. With their feedback, we've got the insight we need to consistently improve month after month, year after year.
Our relationship with Dynojet goes back many years, so it only makes sense for Dynojet to be the only choice for our in-house dyno.
We use the Dynojet for various data collecting, and that's important to us because we base all of our information on data.
A lot of the benefits comes down to the PowerCore ecosystem. Dynojet's PowerCore software is massively powerful.
Through our PowerCore software, our PowerVision and PowerCommander products work seamlessly with our dynamometers. Every single product that we develop gets tested and validated on our dynamometers.
So don't ever think that Dynojet does not have a cost-effective solution for your shop's needs.